To record sounds on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to download the app from Google Play Store, since this feature isn't available on that device. And you can do it by opening Google Play Store, then in the search look for Easy Voice Recorder. Install it and then open this app. And from there, you'll be able to record your audio by clicking on the record button. Then select the folder where you want to place that audio files. And the recorded thing should begin. Now we can click on done. And then they should show up right here so you can listen to them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.